Hello, boys and girls. So lately, I see many young developers who are trying to be the best developers in the world. And if you're one of them, I believe that you will make it. You will make it. But you're there trying to find the best programming language on the planet Earth. You're trying to learn it. You ask your grandparent. Granny, please tell me what you've been programming in. And he tells you, I've been using COBOL. COBOL. He strokes his beard and he says COBOL. And he tells you the stories, which bugs he fixed, how many banks he have rescued from the bankruptcy, or how many money he has transferred. And you're trying to be like your granny, and that's okay. So you go and you learn COBOL, and while you do so, you think like, I need to get some groceries, right? You go to the grocery shop. You're buying 3 bananas. I'm telling you, 3 bananas you're buying, and you hear a song in the radio which tells you should learn Python. You hear Python. What you do? You have your 3 bananas. You get back home, and you're trying to build your project with the COBOL, but you hear that Python is cool. So what you do? You ditch your COBOL and you go learn Python. 2 days pass by. You go once again to the grocery shop. You're trying to buy some plumes, or whatever you call it. Let's say you want to buy apples. So you're buying apples and you see your old friend from the school. He tells you, hey man, I heard that I can make 6 figures doing Java development. So I sacrificed my year of life to learn Java, to go to some bootcamp. And I've been learning so hard, and now I have a job. It doesn't make me 6 figures right now yet, but everything's to come. So you like, and you look at your Python and you compare it to the 6-figure job yet to be. I think, I don't need Python. I need Java. So what you do? You ditch your Python right away. You go to the Stack Overflow and you're trying to ask, well, how should I learn Java? And then you are in the circle. In the circle where you are like, have you ever seen a hamster? A hamster in a circle. He was like, he's running in a circle. And so do you. And I don't want you to run in the circle. I don't want you to. I want you to build stuff. So, if you hear someone who tells you that you should learn Java or HTML, don't listen to them. My advice is you go to some I don't know, random job board where you see developer jobs, right? You look for the most popular one and you pick the most popular one and you don't look back. If you learn it, if you learn by building stuff, if you build something with this, like tangible, right? Then you can show it. You can show it. If you go to the interview, you can show it, man, or madam, or girl, or boy. You go and you show it, right? Because you build something. It doesn't matter. Mark Zuckerberg, look at that guy. He drives, I don't know what he drives right now, but he built Facebook with PHP. Do you believe it? Do you believe it or not? He didn't use Golang. He didn't use, I don't know, Kotlin, because it's the most fanciest one. He built stuff. He knew PHP. He wasn't listening to his friends, which were looking at the best language and he took his PHP skills. He applied them. He built Facebook. He tackled some real world problems with that. All right. You do the same if you want to be successful. Great developer, listen to me. You pick one language, doesn't matter which one. You learn it. You go for it. In 2 years' time, believe me or not, you will probably be building in some other language. Why? Because you learned one technology where you can build stuff. If you learn some one technology, some one programming language, you can build everything. And if you want to pick some other language, you just go and pick it and build with it. You don't need to learn it. At first, pick one. Learn it by building. And that's it. You will be a great developer if you don't believe in yourself. I do. I do believe in you.